दोस्तों हम लोग देख रहे हैं 100 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन यूजीसी नेट के लिए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु इज सेड टू बी द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न इंटरनेशनल लॉ। तो इसका राइट आंसर है ग्रोसियस। नेक्स्ट है, इंटरनेशनल लॉ इज तो बॉडी ऑफ रूल्स लीगली बाइंडिंग ऑन स्टेट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु सेड दैट इंटरनेशनल लॉ इज द वेनिसिंग पॉइंट ऑफ ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस। इसका राइट आंसर है हॉलैंड। विच स्कॉलर्स कंसिडर्ड इंटरनेशनल लॉ एज ट्रू लॉ। तो इसका राइट आंसर है ग्रोसियस। नेक्स्ट है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग जूरिस्ट हैज बीन ऑफ व्यू दैट international law is not true but positive international morality only analogous to the rules binding a club or society। So इसका right answer है जॉन ऑस्टिन। Next है, the best evidence for the existence of international law is that every state recognize that it does not exist and that it is itself under obligation to observe it। This statement was made by Corbett। Next है, who amongst the following doubted legal character of international law। तो इसका right answer है हॉलैंड। Next, expression international law has been introduced by Bentham। Sources of international law are custom, treaty, general principle of law। Who among the following said that usage represent the initial stage of custom? Custom begins where usage ends। तो किसने कहा? स्टार्क ने। International usage translates into international customs only if consistently and uniformly followed by states for a long time। Next, usage represents the twilight stage of custom। Custom therefore begins where usage ends। It is stated by Stark। International law as positive morality। तो किसने कहा? ऑस्टिन ने। According to Article 38(1) of the Statute of ICJ, which one of the following is not a primary source of international law? So decision of ICJ। International custom is a general practice of state accepted as law। Ex aequo et bonum maxim is related to source of international law। Norms of just causes are preemptory norms of general international law from which no derogation is permitted। Next, just causes means and includes so preemptory norms of international law which cannot be normally derogated by an state। An additional characteristic of a norm of just causes is that it can be modified only by a subsequent norm or general international law having the same character। Who expressed the view that international law can indeed be described as law only by courtesy? Holland। International law also develops through state practice। It is known as international customary law। International law is the body of legal rules which apply between the sovereign states and such other entities as have been granted international personality। This is definition given by Schwarzenberger। Next, dualism denotes that international law and state law represent two entirely distinct legal systems। According to the Italian jurist Angelotti, a positivist, the binding force of international law is founded on the supreme principle of pacta sunt servanda। Declaring a diplomat persona non grata is a right of the receiving state। A person born not in the country of his parents would be the national of the country where he is born on the basis of the principle of jus soli। Which doctrines is related to recognition of states? So Tober doctrine। A state is and becomes an international person through recognition only and exclusively। This statement was made by Oppenheim। A state is and becomes an international person by recognition only is claimed by constitutive theory। Which doctrine is related with state recognition? So it is both Tober and Estrada doctrine। Recognition is a free act। Who amongst the following propounded this view? Institute of International Law। Once a de jure recognition is given to a new state, it is irrevocable। When a new state is formed through revolt, recognition usually granted as precipitate recognition। The admission of a new political entity into United Nations can be termed as collective recognition। A state is and becomes an international person through recognition only and exclusively Oppenheim। The rules of neutrality were codified in 1856 and 1899। Rule of state succession was first incorporated from the Roman law by Grotius। Pacta sunt servanda means treaties are accepted in good faith। Who formulated theory pacta sunt servanda to explain the basis of International law, Angelotti. State succession is a misnomer is the observation of J.G. Stark. Asylum stops where extradition begins. Above statement was made by Stark. The term United Nations was suggested by Roosevelt. On which date India became a member of the UN? 30 October 1945. Which pair is correctly matched? Declaration of Atlantic Charter 1941, Moscow Declaration 1943, Dumbarton Oaks Conference 1944. Purpose of UN is world peace is observed by Kelsen. The first session of UNO General Assembly was held on 10th December 1946. The General Assembly of UN passed Uniting for Peace resolution on 3 November 1950. The ECOSCOP consists of 54 members. The Permanent Court of Arbitration was established in pursuance of the following: Hague Conference 1899 and 1907. International Criminal Court consists of 18 judges. On which date the statute of ICC came into force? 1st July 2002. Headquarter of UPU is Bern. Law Day is celebrated every year on 26 November. Development of international law through political organ of United Nations has been authored by Rosalind Higgins. First woman judge of ICJ is Rosalind Higgins. Manila Declaration 2012 is related to marine coast protection. Customary international law of treaties was codified in the Vienna Convention 1980. ICCPR was adopted on the General Assembly 16th December 1966. Permanent Court of Arbitration was established in pursuance of the following: Hague Conference 1899 and 1907. 4 crimes listed in the statute of ICC are 4. Headquarter of UPU is situated in Bern. Which one is a neutralized state? Austria. What is Euro3rd? A pollution control scale. UNHCR is related with refugees. NHRC was established on 27th of September 1993. The law means the entire body of rules in a state. National character of law was introduced in jurisprudence by Sevaini. In Dark Age, natural law was given a new interpretation by St. Augustine. Stemler had divided law into 2 parts: idea of law, concept of law. Theory of categorical imperative was propounded by Kant. The concept of ostensible sovereignty is influenced by the ideologies of which of the following person? Hobbes. Who categorized the subject of jurisprudence as expositorial jurisprudence and censorial jurisprudence? Bentham. Whose method is called scientific positivism? Auguste Comte. Father of English jurisprudence? Austin. Exponent of utilitarianism? Bentham. According to Austin, the science of jurisprudence is concerned with positive law. Who laid down foundation of positivism in the modern sense of the term? Bentham. Hart analysis of law distinguishes between being obliged and having an obligation. Sovereignty, according to Austin, is the characteristic of being positive and negative both. In the law, Hart-Fuller controversy relate to law and morality. Who made a distinction between the use of term jurisprudence in generic and specific sense? Salmond. The basis of neutral law was laid by Heraclitus. Natural law first appeared. So the next question is: who said that ownership is a plenary control over an object? Holland. The rights of an owner are residuary. Possession through an agent or servant is an example of mediate possession. What is the theory proposed by Sevaini to explain legal personality called fiction theory? Who is a legal person? An idol. Time-barred debt is an imperfect right. Who stated that rights and duties are necessary correlative? Salmond. What is the exception to ubi sibi remedium? Imperfect right. Correlative of power is liability. Ownership consists of right and rem. Who among the following wrote celebrated essay determining ratio decidendi of a case? Goodhart. Law is what the judges declares. This statement relate to which thinkers? Gray. A has money in his pocket. This right is a right and rem. Possession through an agent or servant is an example of mediate possession. Ex equa et bonum maxim is related to source of international law. Power of court to try cases summarily given under section 143 of the NIA Act. दोस्तों वीडियो को लाइक कर लीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। थैंक यू।